I'll be honest, your loving they totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kobe.